YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and then we're going to dive right into Bobo because Bobo is a coin that I definitely like right now. But Bitcoin is definitely a coin that needs to be watched right now because Bitcoin's seeing some serious sell-off and breaking below our bottom Keltner channel right here. We were hoping we were going to see a little bit of a breakout with Bitcoin, but it looks like this thing is going to possibly drop down, right? We were saying that we were thinking this was a rising wedge, and then it shot up, and now, you know, saw some sell-off. We rejected off of this range right here, and again, sell-off right here on the 1 hour, 3 hour also, looking like it's starting to break down. But if you start looking at these small time charts, we already broke down. You can see we're probably in a 30-minute chart looking like we're possible retest of this 57 range. I don't know. Bitcoin's looking sketchy, guys. But again, we talk about that on the channel, right? We talk about the fact that price impact usually doesn't happen early in the week. It doesn't usually happen Monday, Tuesday. It usually happens like Thursday, really. And this is Thursday, right? And I told you guys, like, we usually will see price impact happen on Thursday. Something's gonna happen on Thursday, and it's looking like we couldn't break out as much as we needed to, and it's looking like the market is just starting to break down. So anyway, it doesn't really matter if Bitcoin does decide it wants to retest, you know, go drop down back to this 44 range, or if Bitcoin decides it even wants to drop down to 52, right? We did talk about the fact that that could happen as well. You can see Bitcoin's just starting to break down, right? Rising wedge breaking down. So if it does decide that it wants to retest, nothing but a great buy opportunity, and that's why I'm kind of looking right now for more buy opportunities. Also on the 1 week chart, we got a bear flag forming right here. There's a bearish on the 1 month chart, looking like we're just already breaking down off of this rising wedge. It looks like we're breaking down. We tried to do a retest, but we're failing off of this. So, and then 1 year chart looking like possible double bottom, but we don't know. We don't know. Still too early, I guess. But again, maybe not too early, because it does look like we're gonna need to see one more test of some lows. Maybe we can hold some support down here at 55 or something. I don't know, hopefully, or I don't know. We'll see, guys. What do you guys think? What are your price predictions for Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments below. But let's talk about Bobo, guys. Bobo is definitely a coin that I've been paying attention to. At a 93 million market cap, Bobo has been absolutely exploding in growth. This is a coin that we've been following since, like, I think 5 million market cap or something like that. And just watching how much this coin has grown. Now have 21,000 holders, and people are holding on to their Bobo, dude. Like, they're not selling too much in this Bitcoin consolidation. As you guys can see, Bobo is only down like 1%. So some of these other coins, on the other hand, even some of these blue chip coins are down big right now. But it just seems like Bobo, people don't really want to sell their Bobo right now. They're holding on, seeing what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But in my opinion, this is a coin that has a good chance of making a comeback. I'm gonna talk about maybe like 5 or 10 coins on the channel in the next couple of days that are probably going to have a really good chance of being successful. But Bobo is definitely one that I like. I know that I already made a video about Brett and the fact that I like that coin. I made so many videos about Bobo already, but this is a coin that I am going to be picking up during this dip. This is what I'm shopping for. Everybody always asking me what I'm shopping for. So Bobo is a coin that I'm shopping right now. I definitely like this coin. Of course, never financial advice, but you guys always ask me what I'm buying. So Bobo is what I'm buying right now. It's looking like, again, with Bitcoin, not really sure what's going to happen. If you're looking for a position in this yourself, again, that would be based off of your own research, not what I'm telling you. But we may see a little bit of a cheaper price. But yeah, this is a coin that it's on the Ethereum blockchain, and it's been growing in popularity on the ETH blockchain. And we just see some good solid buy orders. I like the price action that comes on Bobo. You could see a lot of these people that are buying in good size wallets, right? And we're trading over here also on Dextools. If you guys are brand new to this, if you don't know how I'm looking at these transactions right now, we're over on Dextools. But as you guys could see, big whale buys on this coin all the time, dolphin buys and stuff like that. And that's what you want to see. You want to see people with some decent sized wallets that are engaged in this coin. And as you could see, 21,000 market cap, 93 million, or I mean 21,000 holders and a 93 million market cap. There's a lot of good sized wallets in Bobo, but also want to make sure that these guys are not holding the majority of the coin, right? So we could check the holder count right here, and we could see that there's nobody that's holding any significant amount of this coins. Also, we could check our audits on the side. I really like their Twitter also. They're growing on Twitter pretty fast. They got 66,000 people on their Twitter, and their reach is pretty good, guys. I mean, look at this, like over 250,000 on that one. This one has like 110. Like Bobo's getting some good interaction, and 1.4 million on that one. People are knowing about Bobo, and I feel like Bobo's building a name. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen with Bobo next couple months with Bitcoin, where it's at. I do think that Bitcoin is in an accumulation zone, whether it does decide that it wants to drop down a little more. I do think that this is like an awesome time to be in cryptocurrency. It's an awesome time to be picking up some of these coins and stuff like that. And so I definitely am. I did talk about the fact that I stable coined up way back in March, but I think that now is a great time to start getting involved in the market. Back in March, we were way overbought. You know, our side was way too high. Talk about it so much on this channel, how overbought we were in March. This was probably the easiest top to predict. I feel like, even though I didn't perfectly predict it, like I guessed that at 71 I pulled out, but it went up to 74. But still, like I felt like it was very imminent that sell-off was going to happen. And I feel like right now, with where we're at with Bitcoin, I just feel like Bitcoin, we're going to start seeing a bottom pretty soon. So again, I'm starting to accumulate a lot of these coins because I'm expecting Bitcoin to perform very nicely into Q4 and in 2025. So in my opinion, this is a great time to be in the market. When people are fearful, I like the fear greed index. Talk about the fear greed index on the channel a lot. I was talking about the fact that back in March we were at like a 96, and I love the fact that now we're sitting at this cool 40 range. I would like to even see it down a little bit lower. I think we got as low as like a 36 or something like that. But I would like to see it drop down pretty significantly. That would be nice. Yeah, we got to like 39. So again, that's pretty good. These are zones of accumulation, in my opinion. When this fear index is, again, when they're fearful, I'm greedy. When they're greedy, I'm fearful. So I was fearful when they were over here at 96. I was like, man, we're gonna see a sell off, you know. And now I'm getting a little bit greedy because we're getting over here in this fear. Everybody's scared. I told y'all, when you're gonna know how the bottom feels, because you're gonna be like, is it going to get any lower than this? And that's where we're at right now. It's like, it's going to get any lower than this. And that means that, like, it's a cool accumulation zone, in my opinion. So, again, if we drop down to 52, that's cool. We got some support at 54 now. It seems like that's cool on Bitcoin, too. So, we'll kind of see what happens. I'm going to talk about some more coins on the channel. If you guys like this video and want more videos like this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. You got to hit the bell notification, guys, so that you get notifications, because a lot of people ask me, they say, Jay, you're going live all the time, and I'm not seeing when you go live. Guys, you're not seeing when I go live because you're not hitting the bell notification. Hit the bell notification. You'll get all the notifications on this channel. Also, if you want to come trade with your boy Crypto Jay on Telegram, all you got to do is follow me at JTalksCrypto. And I talk about exciting coins like this all the time, things that are trending, things that people are talking about in the space. And yeah, if you enjoy that kind of content, make sure you hit me with that follow. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.